Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Class 9th, subject physics, chapter number 5, gravitation. Today we will solve the problem, and the problem statement is that a polar satellite is launched at a 850 kilometer above from Earth. Find its orbital speed. We have to find the orbital speed. According to the statement, the given data is height of the polar satellite h is equal to 850 kilometer. The radius of the Earth r is 6400 kilometer. Orbital speed we know, we have to find. Solution formula and formula of orbital speed, we know that v naught is equal to square root gh into r plus h. Here first we have to find the orbital velocity. First we have to find the g on the height. So for this formula we will use gh, that is equal to gme over r plus h. Because here gh is required, so gh can be found by this formula, and we have values. First we get the value of this one. R plus h is equal to, radius is equal to 6 kilometer plus height is 850 kilometer. So we will get 7250 kilometer, and we will change it into the scientific form. So kilo is 3, 7250 10 की power 3 meter, and it can be 7.250 multiplied 10 की power 3, because point we take from this to this, then 10's power will be 3 multiplied 10 की power 3. So 725 multiplied by 10 की power 6 meter, we get the value. Now we will put the values in this equation, then we can find the value of gh. H is equal to, here g value everybody knows that 6.673 multiplied by 10 की power minus 11 multiplied by mass of Earth, that is always equal to 6 multiplied by 10 की power 24, and here r plus h value we get, r plus h 7.25 multiplied by 10 की power 6 whole square. Then we will get multiply both sides, answer will be 40.04 multiplied by 10 की power 13, because 24 is positive and minus 11 is negative. So subtract 24 from 11, subtract 24 minus 11, then we will get 13. Now 7.4 sticking scale, that is equal to 52.5625 multiplied by 10 की power 12. Here by dividing these both values we will get 0.7618 multiplied by 10 की power 13 multiplied by 10 की power minus 12. When we take it to the upstairs, then it will be in the negative form. So we will get gh is equal to 0.7618 multiplied by 10 की power 1. So it can be reduces in the form negative 1. That means 7 point will become here. So we will get 7.618 meter per second. Here that is the value of gh. Now we will put this value into the formula, that is equal to V naught into square root GH into R plus H. Now by putting the values V naught and GH values is 7.618 into 7.25 multiplied by 10 की power 6. Here by multiplication 55.23 multiplied by 10 की power 6 whole square root. When we take calculator and taking a square root of this value, the answer will be 7.431 multiplied by 10 की power 3. So it can be written in the form of this 10 की power 3. We can replace this 3.7431 meter per second is the answer of the decimal value. The next problem statement is that a communication satellite is launched at a 42,000 km above the earth. Find its orbital speed. Now we have also find the orbital speed. According to this statement, the given data is, according to the next statement, the given data is the height from the earth is this, and the scientific form 42 multiplied by 10 की power 6 meter, and orbital speed we have to find. Mass of the earth 6 multiplied by 10 की power 24 kg, radius of the earth r is equal to 6400 km, and scientific form 6.4 multiplied by 10 की power 6 meter. So solution and the formula we know that formula is V naught G M E over R plus H. Here that is the formula, and now we are using putting the values. We know very well that value of G is 6.673 multiplied by 10 की power minus 11 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 की power 24. Clear? Now the radius of the earth is 6.44 multiplied by 10 की power 6 plus 42 multiplied by 10 की power 6. So by multiply both values we will get 4.038 multiplied by 10 की power 13 divided by, adding these values we will get 4.84 multiplied by 10 की power 6. Here in the addition the tens power will not be added because these are the two terms, both are not in the form of multiplication, that's why the same power will be here. Now by dividing these values we will get 0.8272 multiplied by 10 की power 7. When 10 की power 6 goes to upstairs, it will be subtracted, and 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So we will get the exact value now by replacing 0.8272 multiplied 10 की power 6. One power will be decreased when point we will take point from left to right. So now taking the square root separately, 10 की power, we can break it 10 की power 6. No, answer will be 2.87 6 multiplied by 10 की power 3 because it cutting down. So the exact value when we take point clear, we will get 876 multiplied by 10 की power 3 meter per second. That is the value of G naught, V naught.